1, 2, 3, 4 Media Bio.
This is the Part 3 of the Human Eye playlist. Please make sure that you watched all the previous parts, before going ahead with Part 3. Now how the eye works. Well, I will show this in 6 steps. Step 1. Here the light from any source enters the human eye through cornea. Step 2. From the cornea, the light passes through the pupil. The iris controls the amount of light to enter. Step 3. Now, the light ray hit the lens. See this in the diagram. Step 4. The ray of light passes through the vitreous humor. Step 5. Finally, the light reaches the retina. This is the light-sensitive nerve layer that lines the back of the eye. Here the image is inverted. What? Inverted? Well, yeah, the image formed on the retina is actually inverted, or reversed. However, we can still see the world in the proper way, and as we move further through the video, we will know more. So if the normal vision or image is like this, the projection on the retina is kind of like this. But we still see the normal image in our normal vision, and why is it so? Well, let me explain this to you. This is the eye, and this is our outside image, which we want to see. Now the lower portion of the image formed first, and it starts from top. On the other hand, the upper portion of the image is formed next, and is on the bottom of the retina. That's how the image is vertically flipped on the retina. Oh, you know what? This video is also vertically flipped on your retina right now. Step 6. This is gonna be the last step of our vision. No sooner after that, or I may say step 5, the optic nerve carry the image, or the light ray signal, to the visual cortex of the brain. The visual cortex converts the signal into an image, and rotates it. In this way we can see the world. Now our eyes has got various types of movements, let's check them out. First of all, just check out the 6 types of muscles present in the eye. They are lateral rectus, medial rectus, inferior rectus, superior rectus, inferior oblique, and superior oblique. Check out this picture, showing the muscles of the eye. Inferior oblique, inferior rectus, lateral rectus, superior oblique, superior rectus, and medial rectus. You may get a screenshot of this picture, if you want. Now there are 4 types of eye movements. The first one is rapid eye movement. Often referred to as REM, this happens in the sleep stage, when most vivid dreams occur. Oh wow! Next, saccade. These are quick, simultaneous movements of both eyes, and is controlled by the frontal lobe of the brain. Let me tell you that normal eye movement is saccade. Next, vestibulo-ocular reflex. This is the eye movement, which is opposite to the movement of the head, and keeps the object you are looking at in the center of vision. The final eye movement is pursuit movement. This is the tracking movement, when you are following a moving object. It is less accurate than the vestibulo-ocular reflex. So that ends up the 4 types of eye movements. Okay, what is blind spot? It is the position on the retina, from which the optical nerve starts. It is located right in the way of lens. There is no rod cells or cone cells in this area, and hence no image is formed here. However, the image overlaps or falls on this area, but the brain is smart enough to fill the missing portion. That's interesting. Have a look on this picture. This shows the lens, retina, and the optical nerve. Now this is the blind spot. Because that where the optical nerve starts, there's no chance that any image is going to form over there. But again, the brain is smart enough to fill the missing portion. Blood supply of the eye. Arterial supply. This is mainly served by ophthalmic artery and its branches. These branches include the central retinal artery, the short and long posterior ciliary arteries, and the anterior ciliary arteries. Okay, now venous drainage. Venous outflow from the eye is primarily via the vortex veins and the central retinal vein. Its branches include central retinal, superior ophthalmic, inferior ophthalmic, and middle ophthalmic veins. These things will become clearer. Whoa, check out this picture. It shows all the arteries and veins associated with the eye. First of all, let's talk about the arteries, which are in red. It starts from the ophthalmic artery and branches into continued retinal artery, central retinal artery, short posterior ciliary artery, and long posterior ciliary artery. Now veins, which are in blue. It starts from the vortex vein and branches into central retinal vein. I'd recommend you to get a screenshot at this moment. So how was it? Let me know in the comment section down below. And hey, just subscribe to the channel 1234 Media Bio to see more such videos through your eyes.